It's gonna take a while since it's not primed if it even does anything. I'm so scared, man. Oh my gosh! It's on!
Wait, did you turn that off?
Oh. I let out the starter. It goes in reverse! Oh my gosh, the clutch is so freaking touchy. Oh my gosh. What?
Watch your tone there. It's kind of out there.
Yeah, it's gonna hit on both sides probably.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my gosh, the new clutch is amazing. This is crazy. It sounds so good too. Come with me. We'll take a little maiden voyage. All right guys, so the battery died, but the maiden voyage went actually great. This thing is amazing. I realized how slow it is, so the tuner is gonna be nice when it comes in. But dang, I'm actually pretty impressed. Back it up to this trailer right here. Figure out if I have trailer lights. If not, we're gonna wire them hose, and if so, then we're gonna freaking roll out. All right, my favorite thing is starting this thing. It used to take forever to do, but now it's taking longer for me to get them out of my pocket. All right, let's turn her on.
I think you need to take 3.5 showers.
That's my car keys. Where are my truck keys? Oh, they're right there on the lift. Boop. Yeah. It turns on. I'll give it that. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. My truck works. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Roadkill, where we take a million-mile truck, take it completely apart, put it back together in a night and a half, and tow a car 6 hours away in the truck that you don't know if it'll make it there or not. And so far, me and Harry, and you're gonna introduce yourself? You're gonna say hi? We're all delirious. Pretty much the truck is doing great, but I don't know how, because yesterday we didn't have turbo, transmission, any sort of fluids, fuel cap, gas lines, or anything.
Gas tank.
Gas tank, yeah, rear shocks, like everything. I woke up at 10 a.m. yesterday, and it's now 6 a.m. today. So we're gonna make it the rest of the way. See how it does. The gas gauge says full, and it doesn't stop saying full, like it's just full the whole time. And my odometer doesn't read, and we needed 47 gallons of gas. It's not full, or diesel. Pop that hoe off. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna check, make sure everything's doing good. It's so hot.
Actually, I can't tell.
I don't know where that could come from. There's like a few spots where liquids have been moving, but like, I don't know where from. It's been keeping good temp. Still don't think it's making boost, but it might just be that it's that slow.
Probably feels even slower now with towing the trailer.
I found a problem.
Where?
We need an 8. Did we bring any tools?
Yeah.
We did.
I think you brought your tools.
I didn't bring anything.
You didn't bring nothing?
No. Oof.
My little red bag didn't have none of that.
I know why it doesn't seem like I have any boost. See the 2 orange boots where that black valve Y's down right there? I forgot to tighten them. Those boots go directly to the crank.
Oh, I see them.
I don't know if boost is getting out.
Probably. The thing's way down.
I think that's what it might be actually. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to.
Exhaust gas is right there.
No, that's actually intake. Yeah, that's air intake on both sides. Rider, even better when you get hit. Well, let's go ahead and fix this real quick. I wanted to check it because it seemed super slow. It didn't seem like it was building any boost. As of right now, that's the only thing that I see is a problem. Nothing else poses any problems at all. It just seems kind of sluggish. It was still building boost, but it just didn't seem fast like it normally does. So let's go ahead, grab an 8, fix this problem. Harry's driving. I made it to Jackson. We're both on like 2 hours of sleep in the past 2 days. Pretty solid. All right, we got a few things that might help us fix this. Some extendos and a little hyper tough deal. Oh, that's awesome. All of them already fell out.
Here, look, put it right here in the flat.
Wait, whoa. Wanna know what I didn't check?
What?
Metric versus standard. This is a standard kit.
That's all right. It should have like a 9/16 or 9/16 or 14. This one should work. That looks like an 8.
Let's see if it works. If it doesn't, we're going back and returning this mug. All right, I just tightened those boots right there. Those orange boots was one right there, and there's one right there. You can barely see. Go ahead and turn it on. Sounds way better. All right, well, Harry's gonna drive the next little bit, and we'll be back if there's any more problems. Get it into boost, see if it does anything. It seemed like it had a lot more get up.
I like these tow mirrors a lot better.
Oh yeah, these tow mirrors are great. Thank you again to the guy who sent me those, or met with Harry to give me those. I already shouted them out, but I'll shout them out again. Chevy Hennessy. But yeah, these mirrors look way better. Whenever we get to a spot where we can drive kind of spirited, then we'll see if we can't make a pull. It's pulling now. It pulls really good. And dang, that exhaust sounds so good too. Yeah. It's driving way better now. It's got boost. Well, adios. We'll see you whenever we're not here. We just passed Cuba. Now we're at a gas station, and now we're gonna go get some McDoinkers. Apparently there's a place called Cuba in Mississippi, but we just passed there. No more problems with the truck. It's pulling like freaking a 7.3 should. Slow as balls. So it needs a tune. It handles great, but like it needs a tune bad. 7.3s are known to be super slow, and now that I got the boost leak figured out, there's no reason why not to basically take the whole thing and tune it, make sure all the problems are gone, and give it all the power it needs. Yeah, no.
No. That one's really dirty.
Yeah, that one's extremely dirty. Be nice if the wipers worked.
Yeah, we don't have those.
I'm still, like, there's a hurricane that we just drove through, and we didn't get any rain. No. So we're at the McDonald's, and next thing we see is some Mercedes with the stuff on them. Oh my goodness. I don't know what those are. Y'all tell me what that is. It's a new Mercedes car, and they're wrapped like how you can't look at the body lines on them. It actually looks really clean. So that was the first time I've seen a car like that that was wrapped in a specific way to where you couldn't find the body lines. That was the first time I've seen one of those in person, so that's pretty cool.
What, you're gonna get demonetized?
Oh yeah. Poe against Mercedes. Bye-bye, cars. Oh, look at that fresh new edge. Either way, the old 7.3 is doing great.
Ooh, that mirror looks a lot better.
Yeah, it does. Look, in the cluster, look. This is confusing. We're in the middle of Birmingham, and they're doing a whole construction site in a building. What?
In Florida.
Damn! You see that right there? It says Carvana. If you're watching my videos, you probably got an ad for Carvana talking about that girl about getting cars and shit. That's Carvana right there. I didn't know it actually existed. Dang, this town's pretty sweet. I'm a big fan of Birmingham. It's different. It's not the same. And my exhaust sounds great. Everything's happy today. We're passing over a train. Look at that Beetle. Super Beetle. Look at that 5-lug Tacoma, must be nice. All right, so Harry's parking the Miata over there. We went all the way to Alabama, and we got here without any problems. So 7.3, that's where it's at. You really can't do that with any other vehicle. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you had to put a ton of money into it, but still, you can't do that to any other vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead, tour around Mr. Jared's paint booth in his garage. All right, we just dropped Meep off. Everything, well, it's not there. The trailer's on, but you can't see it. But we're in Birmingham on our way out back to Louisiana. This freaking Power Stroke is doing great. This is why I bought a 7.3, because they're awesome if you freaking put money into them. So I put money into mine, and now it's awesome. Simple as that. That's dope. We're filling up yet again. Gas gauge is still on full, but that's because I think the sending unit, the floating side of there, might be stuck up top. So we're just filling up every once in a while to make sure we can keep the truck full. What I'm gonna do is recharge the AC because it's hot as balls in here. So Harry filled it up. He said we're getting every last inch of every last mile. That's the fluid right there, literally right at the top. So we're getting all of it, plus a little on the floor too. Gang.
I'm gonna go inside and get some more drink.
Yeah, same. All right, we're driving into the Hurricane Barry and no windshield wipers. Harry's trying to kickstart these hoes. think you need to do the one from the driver's side.
They're not working.
So we're gonna try and find some Rain-X. All right, so we just went to Walmart, the same one we just went to when we fixed the boost leak. That guy was looking at me like I got 9 heads. We put Rain-X on the windshield because the windshield wipers aren't working, and we're driving into a hurricane. All right, guys, so here it is right here. The truck is back. We made it home safe. We dropped Meep off to get liquid wrapped. No problems at all after we fixed that boost issue. The truck did actually really great, but there's something I wanted to tell you all about. There's going to be a meet hosting in Birmingham, Alabama. What I'm gonna be doing is going back to get my car liquid wrapped as well as my truck liquid wrapped at the same time. I'm gonna be showing up in the Mustang that had the puzzle pieces on it, wrapped for Addie's Army. They're the ones actually hosting the meet. I'm just gonna be showing up. We're gonna all kind of together host it and do our own thing. I'm gonna go down there, bring the camera. So bring a car, bring some friends, have a good time. You get to meet me and Mello, FanMob Mello from Trace and Mello. We're gonna be down there having a good time. It's gonna be at the Birmingham Greyhound Racing Complex. The address will be up there, but if you can't see that, the address will also be in the description of my channel and Instagram. So follow my Instagram if you don't do that already. Keep updated on the meet. It's going to be August 10th and it's gonna be a good time. So come out, bring some friends, bring some cars, get a chance to meet me. I'll sign whatever, do whatever. So y'all, thank you for watching. That trip was successful. Thank you to my truck for not breaking down and not running out of gas because we couldn't tell what the gas was on anyways. But y'all have a good one. Remember to freaking send it.